Adam here. Time for a SolidWorks quick tip. We're going to look at assembly mates just for a second here. And in this assembly, I've got a few blocks that just aren't fully defined. And let me compress everything here. We'll go back to the top. The first block that comes in is always fixed. So I've got the little F just to the left of the part name there to remind us that that is fixed. Next, any part with no minus sign, so it just starts out with the part name, that is fully defined and can't be moved. And SolidWorks will tell us that. It says the selected component is fully defined and cannot be moved. But these other parts here with minus signs next to them, they have at least 1 degree of freedom of the 6 total degrees of freedom. So this one, it looks like it just moves in and out. So I'll click the face of the block, we'll hit the paper clip, we'll click another face, and we'll right click to lock it in. And I just want to show that now that block is not showing fully defined, and this is what's confusing to some of you that are just learning SolidWorks. But if I do a Control Q forced rebuild, I'll see that most of these blocks just came in. So a rebuild is just going to check everything again. I see one block is still loose, and I can move that around, and that moves in a variety of ways. So here's a couple quick mates that you can do. We're going to select one face, hold the Control key, select another face, we go right into a coincident. Another way to do that would be to hold the Alt key. So if I hold the Alt key, and I can slide this around and snap it to another face, and that is similar, same functionality there. It's just using the Alt drag. We'll select this face, we'll select this face, we'll hit the coincident again, and that fully defines it. So now we have all blocks fully defined, and I hope that this quick tip helps you with SolidWorks mates.